how to show and hide camera cutout on Samsung phone. So maybe you have noticed that when you open any app, you can see little camera cutout, which is like this small black circle on the top of the screen for a camera. Did you know that you can hide it? I'm gonna show you how. So let's open up the settings first and scroll down to display. Now what we are gonna do is also scroll down till we can see this section camera cutout. After that, you will see the list of your apps in which you can change your camera cutout. So you can tap on any app and choose to hide camera cutout or show in this specific app. So you need to do it one by one for each of the app in the list. As an example, let's use calculator as I showed you at the beginning of this video. So let's just tap on the calculator and click hide camera cutout. Now I'm gonna open up the app. And as you can see, now the top of the screen is became lower, so the camera cutout is hidden now. We cannot see this black little circle in the top, in the middle anymore. So that is how you can hide it. And also you can go back in the same setting and choose to show camera cutout. And now your app will be on a full screen, but including this circle for camera. And additionally, you can set auto, so your phone will automatically choose whether to enable it or disable. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.